Welcome to another ProCabby demonstration video. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to use a promo code. All you want to do is order a ride through the app, so you'll click Ride Now. And as soon as the driver has accepted the ride, you will be able to enter in your promo code. So on the top right corner of the map screen, you will see the icon. Once you click on that icon, you will apply your promos. So you'll need to be sure it's exact wording as you were given, and you will select Apply. So once it's gone through, you will see the check mark has now appeared in the top right corner of the map, meaning that your promo has been activated. And you will see that the promo applied deducted. So as you can see, super simple to use, comes off right away, reflected in your invoice, and again you'll be asked at the end to rate your driver, and the driver will be asked to rate the passenger. Thank you again for listening to the ProCabby video, and we hope you enjoy and have a great day.